Here to introduce the 6 characteristics of steel slag ball press equipment. A steel slag ball press adopts hydraulic cylinder pressure. The hydraulic system has an accumulator, not only to ensure the forming pressure, but also to ensure the stable operation of the equipment. 2 steel slag ball press molding roller adopts mosaic structure, on-site disassembly, quick replacement. The 3 inlet ports are provided with adjusting plates to ensure the material forming. The compression ratio is controlled within a certain range. The pressure is strong and the ball forming rate is high. 4 can be processed according to user requirements of different specifications, shape of the ball socket. 5th, the material inlet adopts mechanical removing device and polymer wear resistant anti-blocking liner to evenly feed the material and solve the problem of material accumulation at the inlet. 6 steel slag ball press roller hole after quenching treatment. High strength, good wear resistance, long service life.